Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing some test cutting in some polyethylene foam. This is a closed cell foam used mostly in packaging. We're going to start off by using a single flute straight cut bit. We're going to do a pocketing operation. We're running at 16,000 RPM at 3 inches a second. And as you can see from this video, it's leaving the edges a little hairy. We're starting with the pocketing operation to show the difference between that profile. This video is sped up to 600% to go through it quickly, but it gives you a pretty good idea of the types of cutting abilities of this bit and this material. We're also showing off differences between conventional and climb cutting. Conventional is usually what you want for this type of material. It usually leaves a better edge, but as you can see, the edges are still hairy and may not be the best for a customer facing product, but it is certainly fine for holding material in or holding a product. But we're going to check out another bit here in a few moments, which is going to be a 2 flute downcut bit, which should help with some of this pullout. Now we're going to run a little bit slower at 12,000 RPM, but we're going to keep the same feed rate of 3 inches a second. That's because you have 2 flutes in this bit and we don't want to melt this foam. So we can see from our initial cut here that the quality is a little bit better, but we still have a little bit of pullout, but that's because we're pushing this foam down. Next, we're going to try probably the best option, and that is the Tangential Oscillating Knife. It's the same feed rate at 3 inches per second. And this is essentially slicing through the foam, but the knife is oscillating or vibrating several thousand times a minute and really leaves no kerf. It's clean, it stays in there with a little bit of pressure, and works great with a vacuum table. As we start to pull it out, you can see that we don't need any tabs to hold the material in. It can make really nice sharp corners, and it prevents any tear out from happening. Another great thing is we just cut on the center line, so anything that has to be inserted can just be a pressure fit right inside the foam. This looks great for packaging or any type of organization that you need in your shop. I hope this has been educational. Thank you.